Welcome to the Newzee. Get ready for the glitz and glamour of the world's most prestigious film event happening from May 16 to May 27 on the iconic red carpet of the French Riviera. In this video, captured by drone, witness the serene beauty of Cannes just before the storm of A-list celebrities descends upon the city. We see officials finalizing preparations for the grand opening, where Hollywood stars like Leonardo DiCaprio, Natalie Portman, and Harrison Ford will grace the red carpet with their presence. But Cannes is not just about the red carpet and star-studded premieres. It also hosts the world's largest film market, attracting over 12,500 film industry professionals each year. Alongside the screenings, there will be press conferences, glamorous parties, and an exciting lineup of 21 films competing for the coveted Palme d'Or award. This year's festival promises to be exceptional, with notable films like Martin Scorsese's Killers of the Flower Moon and the much-anticipated return of the famed adventurer in Indiana Jones and the Diary of Destiny being showcased out of competition. Stay tuned to our channel for exclusive behind-the-scenes footage, interviews and highlights from the 76th Cannes Film Festival. Don't miss out on the latest updates from this cinematic extravaganza that celebrates the best in international filmmaking. Subscribe now and join us on this unforgettable journey.